Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm frying me fish. I have my fish over here, you guys. I gotta get all this water and everything up. Okay. You gotta get all the water and everything off your fish once you... Sorry about that, guys. I got distracted. I got a text message from the dealer. Okay, so I'm drying my fish off. Now this right here is a half a catfish that I cut. I bought 3 fillets, and I probably won't even, not really a big time eater. So I just cut one of the fishes in half you guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm drying my fish. Let me try to sit this down, you guys. Sorry about that. Okay. I smell my oil over here. Can you see that? Can y'all see this? Can y'all see it? Maybe a little better. Just on the last. I know it's in the afternoon, going on 3 o'clock, but I had to get a cup. Okay, you guys. Now what I'm doing now, now I love the, I don't know, can you guys even see this? Can you see this, guys? Okay. Now I usually buy the Andy fish fry. I don't know what happened to it. When I go back to Kroger's, I'm going to have to buy me another bag. But I had this in my cabinet, so I'm going to use this, you guys. Okay. And I just sprinkle. I sprinkle. On here, my cutting board. Okay. And I just take it. Ooh, uh-oh, maybe I want to sneeze. Hold up. Okay, went away. I don't know if you guys see that. Oh, excuse me. Then I flip it on the other side, you guys. And let me see, maybe you guys can see it better. Like that. And I make sure both sides are coated really well. The sun is in the kitchen, and that's how I like it. But it is cold, baby, out there. I was washing a few dishes, and I took out a little small bag of garbage, and my hands were still wet. And when I went out there, it's like they just froze up in place. That's dangerous, very, very dangerous. So don't let that sun fool you shining in like that. It's cold. And what I like to do, like open my fish. You guys can see this stuff. Oh my goodness. Open my fish up. You see, like up in here, and I season that. So I do that with my fish as well. I open it up, and then I doing crevices. I go inside with the fish fry. And crevices right here. Okay, so I done got this all seasoned up. Now, some people might like to add a little bit more seasoning to their fish, but it's already seasoned, okay? And it got real lemon flavor in here, you guys. See that lemon? But it got real lemon flavor. But this is already seasoned, so I don't add anything to it. But I know some people probably like to, but I don't. I don't, so I do not. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put you back over here. Okay. Then I test my oil by dropping in little driplets. You see how that's frying up? That means your grease is hot. Your oil, whatever you want to call it. And you make sure you get all the excess off. All the excess off. Okay, you guys. One more piece. There go my fish frying up in there. And this one I'm gonna have with it. But when it's time for me to turn this boy, I will be back. You guys hold on tight. Okay, you guys, I'm about to turn over the fish. Okay, you guys, my fish is done. Now I'm going to take it out this grease and put it in this to drain the grease off of it, you guys. Nice and crispy, like I like it. Yeah. Okay, here's the fish, you guys. Nice and crispy. So I'm going to lay it in there. Y'all want to see it again? There you go. Nice and crispy. Look at that. Like I like it. Okay, you guys. Let me cut this eye off. Take this grease from the eye and put it on the back burner. Okay. And let's see. And this is going to be the hot sauce that I will be using. I really like this one, you guys. Can y'all see that? So I will be using that hot sauce with this fish and my coleslaw. Okay. I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back with another video probably this day. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye now. Yummy.